Welcome back. In this project, I have built an accounting management application using ASP.NET Core, Reserve Pages, Entity Framework Core, and SQL Server. The application follows a clean and organized structure where models represent our database entities. The data folder contains our entity framework core DB context for database communication, and the services layer contains the business logic for managing customers and departments. Instead of directly accessing database from Razor pages, we use services with dependency injection, which keeps the application maintainable and easier to extend. The user interacts with the Razor pages UI, such as customers and departments and reports. When a request is made, the Razor page communicates with the service layer. The service uses entity framework core through a DB context to perform database operations, and the result is returned back to the UI. We also use view models to prepare data specifically for presentation layer. This structure separates responsibilities and follows common practices used in real ASP.NET Core applications. This diagram shows the complete request response flow of our ASP.NET Core Razor Pages accounting management system. The flow starts from the user who interacts with the application through the browser. When the user opens a page or submits a form, the request goes to Razor Pages, which is responsible for handling user interface and page interactions. From Razor Pages, the request moves to the service layer. The service layer contains the application's business logic, such as retrieving customers, adding new records, updating data, or deleting records. This keeps our Razor pages clean because database operations are not directly written inside the UI layer. The service layer communicates with the Entity Framework Core through FDB context. Entity Framework Core works as an object relational mapper ORM that converts our C# objects into database operations. Finally, the data is stored and retrieved from SQL Server. After the database operation is completed, the response travels back through the same layers. From database to EF core, the service layer, Razor pages, and finally, the updated result is displayed to the user. This separation of Responsibilities makes the application easier to maintain and extend. The UI, business logic, and data access layers are independent, which is a common approach used in professional ASP.NET Core applications. Let's run the application and see how this works.